back to my channel. So as you guys read by the title, today I'm going to be making some homemade lasagna. It is the perfect time of season to just bring in all of your favorite comfort foods, and I definitely want to switch it up from making my traditional hamburger pasta and spaghetti. So today I am making lasagna, and I have all of my ingredients here. I'm going to show you guys what I have. I have this Parmesan and Romano, and I got this from Publix, so you can get pretty much any kind of meat sauce that you want, but that's the kind I like. And also I just have 2 boxes of traditional lasagna noodles, which I probably won't even use all of them because I've used half of this box already. And I'm gonna show you guys, I have my noodles boiling and then my meat browning, and then I need to take out the ricotta cheese, the shredded cheese, and the butter, and we're gonna layer this all up, and it's gonna be so nice and yummy. But I just wanted to share with you guys, in case you guys are looking for another recipe to make for your family. It is a beautiful, beautiful Sunday afternoon, and I just want to bring something nice and warm in. So I feel like this is gonna be the perfect meal from what we usually make. So, and also, instead of making my own toast, I bought this Texas toast. Just these up in the oven, and it's gonna, go really well with this meal. And I also have some corn on the cob. I'm thinking about boiling as well with this. That will just tie it all in to make it look so yummy. So I cannot wait for y'all to see how this turns out. But in the meantime, I just want to show you guys how I'm prepping and getting everything ready to go. And here are my cheeses, guys. So this is what I already had. This is just like a Mexican style blend. I also have this Italian blend here, type of cheeses, and then just a sharp cheddar cheese, and then some ricotta cheese, which is a definite need when you are making lasagna. Here is my boiler, guys. I'm bringing my noodles to a boil, and then my meat has already started to brown here. So once this is all done, we're gonna get to layering everything up. And also, guys, I have my oven preheating to 400 as well. Guys, these are all the seasonings I use. I use this Lowry sea salt because I ran out of my paprika. It's what I usually use, but since I don't have that much more of this left, I'm just using my Lowry seasoning salt. I also use my onion powder, my black pepper, my garlic powder, and then I added in some of this thyme, and then my pink sea salt here. So these are all the seasonings that I use to get everything started. And then the meat is browning, so I'm gonna go back in with my onion powder and my garlic powder, and then I'm also gonna add some parsley in much of what I have left here. This here is washed and ready to go. So now I am just gonna go grab my stuff, my ingredients, and then we're gonna layer everything up here to put my meat sauce on, because we're gonna need that because it's gonna be pretty hot. Here's our meat sauce. It's looking all delicious. This is gonna be pretty much our stuffing. I like to start with putting the meat sauce down first. That way we can have like a base before the noodles, so everything won't stick to the bottom. So I'm just going in with my meat sauce and just kind of spreading it across the bottom here. And this is gonna be so good. Y'all know the wind is blowing very nicely. It's gonna get cooler in a minute during the nighttime. It's just giving such vibes for like a home-cooked, homemade meal. And so I just do a little bit at the bottom, just something to start it off, to lay the meat on top. So not that much, I just kind of got it like that. And then we got our noodles here that I'm just gonna layer across, because you don't want them to cook, you don't want to be too overly cooked, because they still have to cook in the oven as well. So I'm just kind of laying them out on the bottom as a base, and then I'm gonna put my cheeses down. another layer of lasagna noodles down. Just kind of not layering them in any particular order. Alright guys, so I'm all done layering it, and now we just have to get it into the oven. I have some cheese kind of hanging off the sides of it, but we're gonna get those in there. But yeah, lasagna is going in the oven. It looks so yummy, and I just kind of garnished it on top with my Italian seasoning and then some parsley. So now we're gonna put it in the oven. Alright guys, so I went ahead and placed my Texas toast in my air fryer here, and we're gonna let these cook up. It shouldn't take long for these to get done. The box says about 7 minutes, but I'm pretty sure with the air fryer it'll only be about 5 minutes, and then they will be ready to go. And I just have them on 350 on the bake setting. Lasagna here, and it looks so freaking delicious. Cannot wait for my family to dig in. And it's cooling off, but here it is, fresh out of the oven. As you guys can see, it's still bubbling around the edges, but looks so freaking delicious. Oh my goodness, I cannot wait to dig in. And then guys, I just have our Texas toast ready to go as well, and it looks so freaking delicious. Oh my god. Thanks so much for tuning into this video. I hope this gave you guys some new dinner inspiration for your family. If you are able to make it, definitely try and make your own homemade lasagna. I thank you guys so much for tuning in, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye bye.